Hey everyone! Welcome to Job Swap Diaries, where we ordinary students try the not so ordinary jobs in the society.
Hi guys! My name is Sarah Salupen.
And I'm Luis Ramos.
I'm D'Artagnan David. Ang bunis is Jalen P.
And I am Texon Nina. And we are Job Swap Diaries! Appreciating the jobs of people in society is essential because each occupation plays a significant role in maintaining order and stability within the community. Various professions, whether highly visible or not, contribute to the overall well-being of individuals. For instance, farmers ensure food supply, teachers provide education, healthcare workers safeguard public health, and service workers help maintain cleanliness and organization. Recognizing these contributions encourages respect and gratitude among members of society. Furthermore, valuing all types of work promotes equality and strengthens social unity, as it emphasizes that every individual's effort is important in achieving collective progress and development.
Sa quality ng bato. Pag maganda yung bato, mas madali siyang maghulma. Pero pagka ang bato is may mga itim-itim, may mga crack, naglalas lang yan mga 1 year to 2 years lang. Pero kapag ang bato is talagang clear, maganda, maputi, tapos walang kahit anong line ng basag, ayun, mas maganda yun. Naglalas siya ng 1 to 3 to 4 years, depende.
Okay.
Ako, pag nakakagawa ako ng granite, kasi pag nakikita ko yung finished product niya, after ko siyang i-sandblast, pag nakikita ko na maganda at nagagandahan yung family, ayun, mas namomotivate ako. Panis. Yung partner ko, siya talaga. Siya talaga. Kasi hindi ko naman porte to, ewan ko ba.
Ay, so siya po yung kasama mong gumagawa.
Hindi. Parang siya yung una. As after niya, nung naging mag-partners kami, ayun. Actually, matagal ko nang alam pero hindi ko sinusubukan. Ayoko kasi. Kailangan, mabilis kang mag-isip. Kasi usually, kapag halimbawa, may lapida, kailangan, mas mabilis kang makapagbigay ng design na i-offer mo sa family. Kung ano yung mas gusto nila. So, kailangan kapag gusto nila ng, halimbawa, may binigay silang design na sa tingin mo parang imposible. Gagawin mo, mag-iisip ka, kailangan mas mabilis ka mag-isip kung paano mo maipapakita sa kanila na eto na lang, mas maganda to. Kesa dun sa binibigay nilang design. Ganun. Kasi ang kailangan dyan, talas ng isip eh. Ganun.
May designs pala yun.
Depende yan. Kasi dalawa ang lapida natin. May tik-tik tapos may computerized. So, ang
Yung sa
akin,
inyo po?
computerized. So, yung kailangan, mabilis ka mag-isip kasi computerized siya.
Pero mas mahirap po yung traditional.
Yeah.
Traditional, sobrang hirap. Mas mahirap. Kasi mano-mano, dinodrawing yun. Ayan.
Okay.
Pag ano ba yan? Pag kailangan kong magmakina. Yan.
Bakit po?
Kasi it takes 1 to 2 hours. Depende sa
Design?
design. Yan. Kasi, halimbawa, pagka marble kasi, sobrang dali lang talaga niyan gawin. Pero kapag granite, sobrang hirap. As in, mas talagang mag-waste ka ng 1 to 2 hours. Depende pa sa design at saka sa laki. Ganun. Kasi iba, may difference siya, may pinagkaiba. Ako kasi hindi naman kasi ako talaga nagpaturo, tumitingin lang ako eh. Pero kung talagang may gustong matuto, advice ko kailangan mas madali siya mag-pick up sa mga bagay na ano, especially pagdating sa suggestions, kailangan mas mabilis siyang mag mag-isip kung ano yung pwede niyang i-suggest, kasi usually ang pinakamahirap sa paggawa ng lapida is yung pagka hindi ka marunong mag-suggest ng idea, hindi ka marunong mag-share ng idea na kailangan ganito, ito na lang ma'am, para yung ba kailangan makuha mo yung satisfaction ng tao, especially ng family, sa layout pa lang, kasi layout ang pinakamahirap eh, kasi dyan tayo mag-a-adjust, so kailangan sa layout pa lang makuha mo yung yes nila, yun.
Kailangan hindi done siya lang.
Yes, talaga. Materials, sticker, transfer tape, tsaka packing tape lang.
Sa computerized.
Sa computerized yun. Pag pangkalahatan naman, ang kailangan talaga, oo, tama, same din, pagka pangkalahatan, kasi yun talaga yung main na materials. Pero pagka sa puti, moriatic, yan, pintura, ganun. Pero sa itim naman natin, ang ginagamit natin dyan, minamakina natin yan para lumalim, tapos spray paint. Yun.
Computerized lapida, first find a good quality stone and make sure it has no cracks and is in good condition. The surface should be smooth and strong enough for engraving.
Next, use a laptop to design the layout by editing the name, birth, and death. Once the design is finalized, print it on sticker paper. Carefully align the sticker on the gravestone, making sure that it is straight. Then, slowly, gently stick it onto the surface.
After sticking the design, slowly remove the unnecessary parts of the sticker that cover the letters so only the letter areas are exposed. Add tape around the gaps to make sure only the letters remain visible. Then carefully pour muriatic acid onto the exposed areas and repeat the process 4 times to achieve deeper engraving.
Buhusan mo ng 3 aso. Tapos bago mo siya buhusan, pag nawala na yung ulang, buhusan mo ng
Treat with water afterward. Once dry, choose your desired paint color and paint the engraved letters. Use paint thinner to remove any excess paint around the surface. Let it dry completely and the computerized lapida is now finished.
Thanks for watching our video! I hope you learned something, and don't forget to like,
Follow!
share,
Subscribe!
bye!